Welcome back. In this video, I will introduce you to acid-base equilibrium. We are talking about acid-base equilibrium. We are talking of the equilibrium that exists between an acid and its associated base. So that's what it's all about. Now, let me take you briefly through the history of acid and bases. Normally, it's an established fact that an acid turns blue litmus red, and it also has a sour taste. It's an established fact. So the same goes for base. Base turns red litmus blue, and it also has a bitter taste. So that's it. And also, a base is soapy to touch. So the same way you feel when you're touching a soap, so that's the same way you feel when touching a base. So, but it's not a very safe method for you to just put an acid in your mouth and taste it to know the taste, or to put a base and to feel a base, touch it. It can be dangerous. So scientists were now working on what's the safer way to know what an acid is, what a base is. So this led Antoine Lavoisier in the 17th century. He first proposed that an acid is made up of oxygen. So this led him to that. So later, um, towards the 18th century, Sir Humphrey, through his experiment, when he studied HCl, hydrogen chloride. So hydrogen chloride is dissolved in solution to give hydrogen and chloride ion. So when he studied it, so he was able to show that hydrogen ion is actually what makes an acid acid, and not oxygen, as proposed by Antoine Lavoisier. So scientists begin to take note of it. They begin to take note of that, like that. So that was how they begin to understand the components of acid and bases. So they carried out further studies. So now, as we'll be discussing in our next videos, some scientists study they study what acid is, what base is. So this led them to propose their theory. So one of such scientists there is Svante Arrhenius. So Svante Arrhenius. So he proposed his own theory. Another one is G.N. Lewis. G.N. Lewis. Another one is Johannes Bronsted. So another one is Thomas Lowry. Thomas Lowry. So they all propose their own theory of acids and bases. So we'll be examining them in our next video. What's the contribution of each of these scientists to identifying what an acid and base is? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. See you later.